Now in this video, we will cover everything that you need to know about shelf standards and shelf brackets. We'll start by exploring the different types available, walk you through and choosing the right system for your needs, and even provide you with a little step-by-step guide for installation. Let's get started. Shelf standards are the vertical metal tracks that are mounted directly to the walls and are available with either single slots, as you see here, or double slots. Now, these allow the brackets to be placed at different heights and offer the full adjustability. And the brackets in turn support the shelves. These are available in multiple lengths to accommodate wide ranges of shelf depths, anywhere from 4 inches all the way up to 24 inches, and pretty much everything in between. Now, as with the standards, these shelf brackets are available in single, as you see here, and double slotted versions for a more heavy-duty shelving system. Now, these shelf standards and brackets provide a customizable and reliable solution for organizing your space. Whether you're storing heavy tools in your garage, maybe displaying decor in a living room, organizing supplies in an office, or even setting up products for sale in a storefront, shelf standards and brackets offer flexibility, durability, and a clean, professional appearance. Now, in order to fasten your shelving material to the bracket, you would generally want to use a shelf rest. This rest bolts to the shelf bracket itself and the other end to the underside of your shelf. Just pay attention when you're ordering these shelf rests because some are made for the end of your shelving system, some are made for the middle, and some are just universal. Now, some of these shelf brackets come with a little lock lever. This is very important, especially if you do not want these to be adjusted once they're set, and you do not want them to be bumped out of their position on accident. Also, some of these shelf brackets are adjustable for different angles. Now, they can adjust anywhere from 15 degree, 30 degree, and 45 degree, and even level. Now, a great example for using the angled shelf bracket would be for if you want to display your shoes. Now, say you want to put this system in your closet, we also carry hang rod clamps, which are perfect for closet applications. This allows you to attach the closet rods to these standards and brackets for hanging your clothes. Therefore, you could have it set up here, put the closet rod there, hang your clothes, and have a shelf on top. Perfect for a closet installation. Now, for installing these standards and brackets, for maximum loading capacity, the standards should be mounted directly to the wall studs, which are generally found at 16-inch intervals. Now, if the standards will not be mounted to the studs because it just doesn't line up, be sure to use the appropriate drywall anchors, which we carry a wide variety of those as well. And prior to drilling all holes, check to be sure that the standards are perfectly vertically level with each other. Now, for attaching the bracket to the standard, once it's installed, you will slip these, line them into the tracks, and then give it a nice little tap down. As you can see from back here, there's a little hook on each one of these, and it locks it in place. And as far as the locking device for locking the shelf into it, you just pretty much give that a nice rotate. The cam adjustment gives it a tight fit, eliminating the shelf from bumping out of place. Ow!